So for your mashed potatoes, we're gonna bring 4 to 5 cups of water to a boil, and we're gonna add some salt. I use pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna add that to the water. Alright guys, so for our mashed potatoes, we peeled and washed our potatoes. We're gonna start by dicing them into smaller pieces because we want to make sure they cook evenly. Some are larger than the others, so we just want to get them down to a similar size. Alright, there you got it. So after approximately 10 minutes, our potatoes are fully cooked, and we're gonna go ahead and strain them through the colander. I'm gonna go ahead and start to crush my potatoes. I'm using a potato masher. Now this is the easiest thing man has ever created. It takes a lot of pressure off the hands. Alright, so the potato is gonna seem crumbly, almost looking dry. So to get it creamy, we're gonna go ahead and add some butter. I'm using the stick. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of butter. This is what it looks like. Right, and continue mashing. We're also gonna pour some heavy whipping cream to our mixture.
Creamy.
Continue to mash. The texture should change. And we're gonna add some more.
So, what if I'm watching this video on YouTube right now and I don't have a potato masher at home? What would you recommend me using?
If you don't have a potato masher at home, you could use forks. You know, it's just a bit tiresome, and if you're mashing potatoes in a bowl, it's really hard using a fork. So I'd recommend getting a potato masher. You could get it at Walmart or any grocery store for approximately $3 or more.
Yeah, and if you guys don't, have the potato smasher or masher, whatever they call it, you can always use the bottom of your cup at home and smash the potato, and that will work just fine. Oh my God, that is so creamy.
Yep. Alright, so for some more flavor, we're just gonna add a little bit more of this pink Himalayan salt to it. As you know, we love flavor. And also for some color and also more flavor, just a dash of paprika. Look how creamy this is. And guys, the heavy whipping cream is not whipped cream, okay? Alright, our mashed potato is all done.
Beautiful, beautiful. That was just super fast.
Alright guys, so in plating the mashed potatoes, I'm gonna take a big plastic spoon, and this is a wonderful side That could go with many dishes. And just a little leaf to be fancy. And voila. Or mashed potatoes. And some more color.
All right, guys, so here we go. You have creamy mashed potato.